Come with me to a very long lab day in dental school. So today is Thursday and we have 2 labs this day. So we started out in Fix Lab and we are going to be doing a crown prep on number 30. So I'm starting out by making my putty matrix. I actually got the mixture way off, so I ended up having to make another one. But basically with this putty matrix, we use it to measure our crown and how much we've reduced it. I also got this little keychain from one of my classmates. I then got started on my crown, which I had already began working on in lab last week, but this is kind of where I was at. I still needed to do my bevel and my groove, and I just kind of continued working on that until I was finished. And this is what the crown looked like, completely done. Yes, I had some things I wanted to fix on it, but then I decided I was going to start on another one because we actually have 2 due. And if you ever see me kind of like with my head tilted to the side, that probably means I'm doing a crown prep. This is how much I was able to get done in lab. Once lab was over, I set up what was due in operative for the day, and then I went to operative lecture after I had lunch, and then I headed to the lab and I did end up passing, thankfully. And now I'm just setting up my rubber dam. We are doing our etch and bond today, and then we are also doing some restorations on all preps we did last week, and these will all be due at the start of next week, and we'll have to set one out to be graded as well. So right now I'm working on the number 4 MO, and this one is composite. So honestly, I had a really hard time getting the composite into the maxillary just because of the angle of the gun, and I was struggling to even press the composite out. I don't know if the composite that I had was just maybe kind of already set within the little cartridge or what, but then I'm just going to kind of do the same thing as I did with the amalgam. I'm going to condense it into the box. The main difference is that as I place it, get it condensed in where I want it, I'm actually going to light cure it with the blue light. I am trying to be precise with where I place the composite because I hate having to remove excess composite in the inner proximal of where my box is at because it's very hard to get tools in there. I ended up finishing the number 4 while I was in lab, and that's all I was able to get done today because I was super tired, so I ended up just heading home and relaxing for the night.